So here we are at Anglesey, 4.5 hour drive this morning, so early start. Got here, unloaded the car, checked the tyre pressures, torqued the wheels, run out of temperature, check the oil, and we'll get the car, go around the circuit and see what improvements we've made since last time at Donington. Been out for 3 sessions now. Car's been running really well. Last time at Donington, you could definitely notice that there was a power issue. It just wasn't delivering the power like it should be. And especially now, since servicing the car, we've noticed it has got hybrid turbos, intercoolers and a few other bits. It definitely felt more like stock power last time to tuned power. Since being out on track, we've noticed the pickup now through the mid-range and the revs, it picks up pace all the way up to 7,000 now, and we've definitely got the power back from the engine. Car's going really well. The brakes are a little bit spongy. I think we're going to bleed them at lunchtime. They're still good, but the top 10–15% of the pedal still a little bit unfirm. It's not solid like it should be. But other than that, it's going really well. I'll have to take over the video from here because Henry's gone off in a working M2 to sample Anglesey because his is broken at the minute. Yeah, not good. So I'm just bleeding the rears. This one did have a little bit of air come out the caliper, so I'm going to let it bleed a little bit longer. I'll do the inside nipple and then I'll switch over to the other side, get the wheels back on, test the brake pedal. Fingers crossed, the top of the brake pedals come back now and we're good to go. Car's going really well actually. Yeah, big smiles. Yeah, it's from what I gather, the car hasn't run this well in a long time. So yeah, we've fixed a lot of the issues and now it's just picking up little teething bits of work we've not done and just kind of polishing the car off. that's another successful track day wrapped up for us. We're heading back now. We got the car on the trailer as quickly as possible, just because we've got a long journey ahead of us. So we'll head back to Porschemode workshop, tuck the trailer and the rig away. But yeah, really good feedback from the owners of the car. They've said it's never performed like it has ever since they've owned the car. So we're definitely going in the right direction with the car. Once we bled the brakes at lunchtime, they were spot on. Again, something else that's been rectified, and we know we've got the confidence in the brakes. There's a few bits, a few improvements bits we're gonna add on, like all the under trays we're missing on the underside. There's a few handling things we're gonna tweak for next time, but we've got the base there now. We know we can turn up. There's 2 track days we've done now, Donington and Anglesey. Turn up and the car's ran round all day with minimal issues apart from bleeding the brakes. So it just gives the customers real confidence in the car, whereas before they were having a lot of issues. So us checking over the car, inspecting it, has worked wonders. And yeah, we'll get the car tweaked and we'll get ready for the next track day, which I think is going to be in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and we'll see where we end up with that.